Welcome to the YouTube channel, Contact Center Knowledge Hub, your one-stop solution for expert guidance, best practices, and actionable knowledge in the world of contact centers. Explore, learn, and enhance contact center skills. Welcome to this session on the factors affecting shrinkage in call centers. Shrinkage, as we know, is the time when agents are paid but not available to handle customer calls. Understanding the key factors behind shrinkage is essential for accurate workforce planning, cost control, and maintaining service levels. We'll explore three main categories: planned factors, such as breaks, training, and meetings; unplanned factors, including absenteeism, system downtime, and unexpected emergencies; and external or policy-driven factors, like compliance activities, special projects, and organizational policies. By the end of this session, you'll have a clear picture of how each factor contributes to shrinkage and how managing them effectively can transform call center efficiency and customer experience. Planned shrinkage represents the portion of time where agent unavailability is scheduled and anticipated as part of normal operations. These activities are essential for agent well-being, skill enhancement, and organizational communication, even though they temporarily reduce live call handling capacity. First, we have breaks and lunches, fixed intervals built into shifts to allow agents to recharge, manage fatigue, and maintain peak performance throughout the day. Next are training and coaching sessions, where agents step away from the phone to focus on skill development, quality reviews, or mandatory compliance refreshers. These sessions directly impact long-term service quality and customer satisfaction. Team meetings and huddles provide time for daily briefings, performance updates, and policy discussions, ensuring agents stay aligned with operational goals and organizational priorities. Finally, administrative tasks such as reporting, internal communications, or system updates also require agents to be offline but are crucial for smooth back-end operations. Because these factors are predictable, workforce management teams can plan schedules in advance, balancing agent availability with business needs while minimizing disruption to customer service. Unplanned shrinkage refers to unexpected events that disrupt staffing levels and reduce agent availability in real time. Unlike planned activities, these factors are unpredictable and can significantly impact service levels if not managed effectively. The first major factor is absenteeism and sick leaves. Unplanned no-shows, late logins, or early logouts create immediate staffing gaps, forcing other agents to handle additional call volumes and increasing the risk of burnout. Next, system downtime or IT issues, such as CRM outages, telephony failures, or network disruptions, can render agents idle even when they are scheduled and available to work, causing both operational and customer experience challenges. We also have unscheduled breaks or emergencies, including personal emergencies or last-minute operational needs that pull agents offline unexpectedly and disrupt workflow continuity. Finally, agent attrition and turnover lead to long-term staffing challenges as vacant positions from resignations take time to replace, reducing overall agent capacity and increasing pressure on remaining staff. Managing unplanned shrinkage requires real-time monitoring, forecasting buffers, and rapid response strategies to minimize its impact on service levels and operational efficiency. External and policy-driven factors represent organization-level requirements that directly impact shrinkage, often beyond the immediate control of workforce planners. The first factor is compliance activities. Security audits, data privacy checks, and mandatory certifications are essential for maintaining regulatory standards. While critical, these activities take agents offline, reducing their availability for live calls. Next, special projects such as pilot testing, system migrations, or process improvement initiatives require agents to participate in temporary assignments outside their normal call handling duties. These projects support long-term organizational growth but also contribute to short-term shrinkage. Finally, workforce policies established by the company, such as guidelines on break durations, meeting frequencies, or mandatory training schedules, can significantly influence shrinkage levels. The structure and strictness of these policies determine how much time agents spend away from the phones. By understanding these organizational factors, workforce management teams can better anticipate and integrate them into staffing models, ensuring compliance and strategic goals are met without compromising service levels. Operational and scheduling practices play a major role in determining how effectively shrinkage is managed in a call center. The first element is forecasting accuracy. When call volume forecasts are inaccurate, staffing levels often fail to align with actual demand. This mismatch amplifies the impact of shrinkage, resulting in longer wait times, missed service level targets, and unnecessary overtime costs when call spikes occur. Next, we have shift planning. Overlapping breaks, excessive training sessions, or poorly timed meetings during peak call hours can inflate shrinkage percentages significantly. Even a well-staffed day can fall apart if too many agents are taken offline at the wrong times. By improving forecasting precision and optimizing shift schedules, workforce management teams can ensure consistent agent availability, minimize service disruptions, and maintain operational efficiency even in high-demand periods. Seasonal and environmental factors create additional unpredictability in managing shrinkage within a call center. The first factor is seasonal absenteeism. During holidays or flu seasons, absenteeism levels often rise sharply. More agents take time off, whether for planned vacations or unexpected sick leaves, reducing overall workforce availability and increasing unplanned shrinkage. Next, external events such as natural disasters, transportation strikes, or sudden public holidays can disrupt agent attendance without warning. These situations make staffing adjustments extremely challenging and require real-time contingency planning. Because these factors are largely beyond organizational control, workforce management teams rely on historical data, trend analysis, and flexible scheduling strategies to minimize their impact and maintain service continuity. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel, Contact Center Knowledge Hub. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights. See you in the next video.